Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, the name's Oshin, and in this channel I talk a lot about personal finance, some tech that can help you, lifestyle hacks and whatnots. So in today's video, I have a new personal finance milestone, and as you can see naman sa title tsaka sa thumbnail, I have a new credit card, and it's the UnionBank Lazada Credit Card. So before I share to you guys on how I got this credit card, let me share to you first the features of this UnionBank Lazada Credit Card, because probably this is one of the coolest credit cards that I've seen. Let's see if na-meet ba niya yung expectations ko and magagamit ko ba siya. Is it something na ma-recommend ko sa inyo guys? And so keep on watching until the end of this video. So I will be sharing a lot about this card and my experience on using it. And I've had this credit card for almost 2 weeks now. The UnionBank Lazada Credit Card is the first e-commerce card in the Philippines. And if I'm not mistaken, kaka-launch lang niya a few years ago. If I'm not mistaken, parang 2 or 3 years ago. It's also a titanium grade credit card, which means that it's a little bit higher than the classic and the gold one, but below the platinum level. It's under the MasterCard network, and siguro yung main highlight feature niya is yung, of course, specialty niya with Lazada. So the highlight of this is that whenever you use this credit card in Lazada, and for every 200 pesos purchase that you use it sa Lazada mismo, you get a rebate of 6 Lazada credits, and it goes straight to your UnionBank online account. On the other hand, if you're not using it in Lazada and if you use it for other transactions, for every 200 pesos purchase, you exactly get 1 Lazada credit. And also guys, you get free 50 pesos monthly shipping voucher for a minimum purchase of 2,500 pesos in Lazada. But wait, there's more on vouchers. You also get 500 pesos na vouchers for 5 sales all year round sa Lazada. And you might ask naman, what about the annual fee? So the first year is waived yung annual fee, but next year if you're going to pay for your annual fee, it's actually 3,000 pesos, and we will discuss later on about the annual fees. And not only that guys, you also get first-hand access to Lazada sales, and then you also get an online virtual credit card din na kasama nung physical na credit card. Not only that, siguro ito yung pinaka-favorite kong feature nitong credit card na to is their welcome gift. So you get 5,000 pesos na Lazada vouchers basta makapag-spend ka ng 20,000 pesos for 60 days or within 60 days, and then you'll get free 5,000 pesos Lazada credits. Alright guys, so paano ba ako nakakuha nitong UnionBank Lazada credit card? Story time is that hindi ko talaga ina-expect na magkakaroon pa ako ng second credit card, because as you all know, and if you've been a subscriber of my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a negative credit history. So I became a delinquent on handling my credit cards before. But I'll be honest with you also, friends, na I've been trying to apply for a UnionBank credit card for almost a year. The first credit card that I tried to apply was the Cebu Pacific Get Go card, but unfortunately, of course, hindi ako na-approve. And then I also tried applying for the UnionBank Platinum credit card, which, like, of course, obviously, hindi ako ma-approve doon. So kung doon nga sa SEBPAC hindi ako na-approve, what more pa dito? Ngayon, the question is, how did I get this credit card, right? So guys, yung payroll account ko is actually in UnionBank. And the funny story pa dito is that medyo regular silang mag-text sa akin na nag-o-offer sila ng personal, yung mga quick loans, personal loans na umaabot ng 50,000, 40,000, yan. So, I don't want to get a personal loan because the interests for me are a bit high. Hindi ko naman kailangan din talaga mag-loan unless I wanted to invest on something that I know would yield high interests for me. So, hindi ko lang pinapansin. So, one day, mga umaga yun, siguro mga 10 a.m. I forgot the exact date. May tumawag na lang sa akin from UnionBank. Pre-qualified daw ako for a credit card. And during that time, of course, guys, I was still vigilant as well because I've been hearing also a lot of cases na scam pala yung calls. So, yeah, good thing I didn't give any of my sensitive information naman. Only my personal details like my name, my birthday, my employment, and stuff like that. So, yun naman, talagang required yun whenever you're applying for a credit card or whenever they need to verify you so that they could process your credit card application kung pre-qualified ka for a credit card doon sa bank mo. Another interesting point during our phone call is that she told me na I can change actually my preferred credit card. Kasi yung in-offer niya sa akin ay yung UnionBank Lazada na credit card. So, during the call, sabi ko, di sige, bigay ako ng personal information. And then, after quite some time, ang sabi ni ate,
Sir, actually, if you want, you can switch the credit card of your choice, pwedeng yung Cebu Pacific Gold or yung Platinum kung ano po yung gusto ninyo.
But since medyo hindi ako na-approve dun sa mga cards na binanggit niya. So sabi ko, sige, I'll just stick to the UnionBank Lazada Credit Card because, you know, I usually use Lazada naman talaga. So why not? After that call, to be honest, kinalimutan ko na. Tapos hindi ko naman din talaga ina-expect na ma-approve ako for that credit card. So I moved on and I lived my life until then. One day, I received a text from UnionBank that I got approved for the UnionBank Lazada Credit Card. And it was surprising and like, okay. So the card was delivered to me last Feb 4. Mabilis lang. Parang nung natanggap ko yung text, mga 3 days after, saka na dumating agad yung credit card. And super shout out to Entergo for that fast delivery. I think Entergo yung kanilang courier. And so yeah, mabilis lang yung pag-deliver ng credit card. So right now, kumusta yung paggamit ko ng credit card? So right now, I'm still in the process of finishing that 20,000 purchase limit so that I would be able to get my 5,000 pesos Lazada credits from this credit card. I don't know about you guys, but to be honest, ever since the pandemic started, or rather, ever since I started changing my lifestyle, hindi na ako masyado ganun ka-entice na bumili ng kung ano-ano sa Lazada. And minsan nga parang yung mga binibili ko ngayon, parang medyo nagigilty na lang ako na, do I really need this? Or I always ask myself na, is this of value to me? Very careful pa rin ako sa paggamit ng credit card because of course, I don't want to overspend naman. But my trick here actually is that since medyo takot ako lumabas, hindi ako masyado nag-grocery, pag bumibili ako sa Lazada, lagi akong bumibili sa Lazmart. So Lazmart is basically Lazada's supermarket and they have a wide range of anything that you can find in groceries. Yeah, from cereals to food. Well, of course, wala nga lang yung mga karne at saka, you know, mga gulay. Yeah, you can find a lot of stuff there that you can use for your everyday needs. And just go to Lazmart if you're interested to check this store. But for now, medyo hirap akong tapusin yung 20,000 na spending limit. But, you know, I still have like roughly 50 days and I think I might be able to finish naman. So let's go back to the topic of annual fee. And speaking of annual fee, Union Bank's annual fee for this credit card is 3,000 pesos and it's expected that it's that expensive because it's a titanium grade credit card. I heard from a friend na hindi ko madaling magpa-waive ng credit card sa Union Bank. So I'll try next year. I'll be using this credit card more often because I buy a lot of stuff in Lazada, especially nga sa Lazmart. I will try, and Union Bank, kung nanonood ka as early as now, I'm telling you, hindi ako magbabayad ng annual fee next year. I am not willing. Kung hindi niya ipapa-waive yung annual fees ko next year, hindi ako magdadalawang isip na i-cancel yung credit card because I still have the other one. Yeah, I don't see any reason why I should pay annual fees for this credit card where I have a credit card who's a lot better in terms of like perks and point system. Because this one is really just useful for Lazada so far. So how do you redeem your Lazada credits whenever you're using this credit card? Very simple. So whenever you're using this credit card, automatic nang pumupunta yung Lazada credits mo on your Union Bank online account. From there, when you log into your Union Bank online account, you just need to redeem it from there from the platform and then it will go to your Lazada wallet dun sa iyong Lazada account. But word of caution, dapat kung ano yung registered mobile number ninyo sa Union Bank online and email, it should match with the email address and the mobile number that you have sa Lazada, or else hindi matatransfer yung Lazada credits ninyo from your Union Bank online app. Initial impressions of my card is that it's a decent card design-wise. It's not that much impressive. It doesn't give the titanium feels unlike other cards na medyo classy yung dating. So, talagang e-commerce yung dating niya. Compared to my other credit and debit cards, they look more elegant, especially my Crypto.com debit card, and it's a Visa Platinum debit card, and it really looks more elegant because it has a metal finish. Okay na rin. I mean, it's a card. It's a plastic card. May pet peeve ako dito sa card na to though. What I don't like about this card is that medyo embossed kasi yung name at saka yung card number sa likod and bakat siya sa likod. So, for example, if dito nakalagay sa likod yung card number ko, medyo nakabakat siya dito sa unahan. So, kung medyo matalas yung mata nung kung sino mang katabi mo, baka mabasa niyo yung card number mo and even the expiration date. In terms of promos naman, in fairness, pretty decent ang promos by using this card. Actually, any Union Bank credit cards, wala masyadong difference with Security Bank, but I must say that Union Bank's promos are better than Security Bank's. I mean, welcome gift pa lang guys. Security Bank doesn't have a welcome gift unlike this Union Bank credit card. And even the other Union Bank credit cards, they have welcome gifts for their customers. Union Bank also has like promos on shopping, travel, dining, and in fairness naman maganda rin yung selections nila. And I can't wait to try them out if I go outside soon. So guys, if you want me to make another review of this card next year, let me know in the comment section, and most likely I'll definitely make a new one and tell you my experience, and I'm gonna tell you next year kung mapapawave ko ba yung annual fee nito. And so with that, thank you very much for watching, and if you find value on this video, please do not forget to smash that like button please, so that you could help this channel grow and it helps on the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Alright? And also comment down below your thoughts. I would like to know if you like this card. Are you getting this card? Let me know in the comment section. And so remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you again on my next video, everyone. Peace out.